Who are you? We're the police.
Who are you?
Who are you?
My name is Leland Gaunt. And you are?
Who are you?
Who are you? He's my friend.
Who are you?
I'm Max.
Who are you?
You don't want any part of this.
Who are you?
No one. He's no one.
Who are you guys?
Who are you?
Your mama, who are you?
Who are you?
Who am I?
Who are you?
There's no one. There's no one here for another 2 weeks. This isn't one of my guys.
Good morning.
Who are you?
Who are you? What are you?
Who are you?
Who are you guys?
Who are you? It's me, Dan. Your master's voice. How is it going?
What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Suzanne.
You married?
Oh,
What's your name?
Sam. What's your name? Let's see. Linda.
What's your name?
Walter.
Oh! Hello. What's your name?
Francis.
Hello, Mr. Francis.
What's your name, boy?
His name is Django Freeman.
What's your name?
Howard.
I'm Roxy. What's your name?
What's your name, boy?
Hugo. Hugo Cabret.
What's your name, crab? Jason Floor, sir! AKA Affirmative Action!
What's your name, sir?
Saw you filming in there. What's your name?
What is your name?
Jack Thursby.
My name's Frank Calloway. I'm head of security for Sunway Systems.
What's your name? He can't hear you. He's dead, deaf and dumb Indian.
what's your name?
It's Victor.
How old are you?
The United
Hold on.
States.
How old are you?
40.
40.
And how old are you, Miss Posey?
22.
How old are you? 17.
How old are you?
14.
How old are you?
22. What, 22?
How old are you?
15.
And how old are you?
8, miss.
How old are you?
Lucy, how old are you?
4.
How old are you?
5.
5. I don't know. What do you think?
How old are you? You mean in human years?
Oh, hey, Crush! Crush, I forgot! How old are you? 150, dude!
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
Far away.
Where you from, mate?
Just around.
Where are you from?
Boston, Mass. Where are you from? Romania.
Croatia.
It's me, Alex the Lion, from Central Park.
Well, I'm from Ohio, but my family is from Kentucky.
Which one is it?
I'm from the ocean.
I'm from Virginia. I'm from Virginia. Virginia is where I'm from.
I'm from Segovia.
I'm from upstate New York.
No, I'm from Columbus. I'm a Buckeye.
Perfect. I'm from the Tokyo.
I'm from 2010.
Yeah, I'm from Crown Point. I'm from Crown Point.
Look, I'm from Pontiac.
This is my dad, Richard. Call me Dickie.
Karam, this is my dad.
This is my dad. He's never impressed.
He takes your position.
This is my dad.
This is my dad, and he's new here.
No, you guys, wait. He's not TJ. I'm Lisa Taylor. This is my dad's house.
What's this?
What's this?
Ta-da!
You minced.
I did.
What's this?
That's our new...
What's this?
I told you, 24 hours on the campaign trail.
What's this?
It's for my soup. What's this?
A letter.
Who writes letters these days?
I thought it seemed romantic.
What's this?
This is an official challenge. Wait a second. What's this? What's this?
What's this in your mouth? Anna, I told you your teeth were perfect.
What's this?
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, George.
Oh, have a nice day, Roland.
Thanks, lady. Have a nice day. Oh, have a nice day.
Have a nice day, officers.
Yeah, have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day!
You have a nice day.
You too.
Have a nice day.
Nice to meet you.
I know.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too.
Bye. Bye. Nice to meet you.
She's very cute.
Nice to meet you, Francesco.
Nice to meet you too.
And it's so nice to meet you all.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you.
You too. Nice to see you again. I'm Gwen.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Ron, hi. I'm Connie Felix's wife. It's so nice to meet you.
Oh.
Hi, Mr. and Mrs. Banks.
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Pleasure, I'm sure. So, what brings you down from Stanford?
It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you, too.
Very nice to meet you too, yeah.
It's a pleasure to meet you.
It's a pleasure to meet you too, Grace.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Mr. Kipps.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Mr. Kovacs.